Do you think of starting over in network marketing and giving it a second chance, but you are scared? You are scared to go through frustration, through difficulties. In this video, I will try to give you some helpful tips that maybe and I hope will help you to restart your business and you would find a desire to grow in this business. My name is Helena Dalbo and I'm helping frustrated marketeers to give a second chance to network marketing and to succeed this time. Are you a person who was for several years in network marketing and didn't see results? We're doing all the steps required, all the things that mentors were saying, but didn't see results that you wished or hoped for. Or maybe you saw people that came later in this company and managed to get better results faster than you. I know I was like that. I know I saw people that were coming into the company and already in few months, in a year, received big results and managed to do their business. And I, on the other side, was doing all the steps that were required: cold messaging, calling, posting, social media, and all the rest, but didn't see any results and couldn't recruit even one person. Of course, I assume that you felt really frustrated, and I really can count so many times when I wanted to quit this business and I wanted to say no and to stop. But I know in me, I saw a big opportunity and I knew that there is a possibility to grow. There is a possibility to reach results and amazing results. And I know if you are looking at this video, there is something inside of you saying that you should give a second chance. You see that this business is a great opportunity for freedom, money, time, and all the rest. But you don't know where to start and how to start and where to go and what to do. So I will try to give you some tips that helped me to start over, to push that reset button and to start over and to give this business one more chance and to succeed in it. Here I want to share an advice that Ray Higdon often talks about and often suggests to us to do is creating pictures in your head, creating a place where you want to be, a life that you want to have, and be as detailed as possible. Every morning, wake up or before sleep, every day, draw a picture in your head of coming up on a stage and seeing people that are around you, a team which is supporting and cheering for you because they are having a better life because of you and your effort and your work. Imagine that in all possible details, what you would be wearing, how you would be walking, what you would be saying on the stage, and draw that picture in your head. That will help you to be focused on the goal that you have, to be focused on where you want to be and where you want to go. Maybe for you, stage is not important or being recognized is not important. Totally fine. Maybe you want to work from the seaside or from, I don't know, from some other countries. Imagine that you are sitting somewhere, I don't know, in warm country, drinking a cocktail and working with people, talking to your team and building your team so they would get the results that they want to. Draw those pictures in your head as detailed as possible. That would be my first advice to you on where to start. Second tip would be make your action plan and make it easy with the small steps. For example, posting every day on one of the platforms. Choose one platform where you want to be working and post there every day. Another action plan would be like contact, I don't know, what is for you, 5 people a day, 10 people a day with whom you would be talking, like to have a conversation with people. And main goal would be for you to bring value to people on the social media, on the connections that you are making, on the platforms that you are talking, the comments that you're giving, that you would want to give and bring value to people so they would see and they would want to return to you. Consider finding a good mentor that would be helping you, that you are willing to work with, to whom you trust, and work with that person closely. Follow each advice that they give you, and I'm sure that you will see results, because I see results now, and I'm happy. It's really game-changing to see the results after the work you do, and I'm sure that you can do it also. Spend some time, a day or two, a week, a weekend, to analyze what mistakes maybe you did in your past work. What could have you done better? Analyze your previous experience in network marketing, and see, make an action plan also out of it, like what you would change, what you would adapt, what you would add or remove from your work to make it better, and to make sure that you would get results. What for me helped is to realizing that I don't have to chase every single person, that my goal is to bring value to people, to really be helpful, to be a person who can help people to reach their results, to help with the advice, to help with the resources or the contacts that could help them. So that was my point. Maybe it will help you, but maybe you have to do something else, something different, and analyze your work and see what is best for you and how best for you to work. I'm sure that you can reach results. I'm sure that every single person in this business can reach results if we work correct, if we work in a way that we're not burned out, in a way that we listen to other people and we try to help them. I'm sure in that way you will reach results, and you will see that your efforts are bringing the results, and that frustration will be lifted up, and you will want to bring more and more value. Have an amazing day. Till the next time.